Shut up and sit down.
Welcome back to Financial Phoenix and our Back to Basics series. In this video, we're going to cover how exactly you use digital and paper coupons to save you the most money at Dollar General. This is going to be helpful information for beginner couponers as well as veterans who've been around a while who may just need a little bit of a refresher. That's okay too. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram or join our Facebook deals group for deal breakdowns, clearance alerts, and more. The links will be in the description box down below this video if you need those. Let's just go ahead and get started. To receive digital coupons, you need to make a free account at dollargeneral.com and click on the Digital Coupons tab. At the top of the page, you'll see a section called DG Rewards. These are rebates that can be earned and used toward future purchases, and we will cover them in an upcoming video. But today, we're just going to focus on digital and paper coupons. Digital coupons are broken down into sections under the Categories tab. Coupons can vary person to person, so you will not always have every coupon that others have. I recommend creating an account for each person in your household. That way you can log in for multiple chances at each different coupon. David and I often have different coupons from each other. Clicking to expand the details on a digital coupon will show you the restrictions on how it can be used. Some are only valid for certain varieties, sizes, etc. Be sure to note that the coupon's expiration date prior to using it. And there are two types of digital coupons in your account. Those are store and manufacturer coupons. Store coupons will be noted like this. If you don't see this note, then it is a manufacturer's coupon. And it's important to note the difference in certain cases because coupons can be stackable. Being stackable means that you can use two coupons on one item, which makes for even greater savings. So at Dollar General, you can use two digital coupons, two paper coupons, or a digital and a paper coupon. The only qualification is that one of them has to be a manufacturer's and one of them has to be a store coupon. There can't be two of the same. So if you've got a digital store coupon and a paper manufacturer's coupon, you're good to go. You cannot stack two manufacturer's coupons or two store coupons on a single item in any form. For more information on this, you can visit the Dollar General coupon policy page, which is located under the help section of their website. Some other important things to note are that you can use 5 of the same coupon in a single transaction, as long as the coupon doesn't state otherwise. So think about like 5 bottles of Tide with a single coupon for each bottle. The other important thing to note is that Dollar General does allow overage. Overage meaning that if I pick up a $1 clearance item and I have a $2 coupon for it, I can use that coupon and essentially get money off of other items in my cart. So it'll take off the $1 and then the second dollar will be applied kind of like a credit towards something else in my transaction. The only thing you have to note is that if you're going to use overage, it has to have another item in your cart to apply to. They can't complete your transaction with owing you money at the end because they can't pay you out of the register. So that's one important thing to keep in mind. Beyond digital coupons, you might also have access to paper coupons from your Sunday newspaper inserts. The most common of these are the P&G, the Retail Me Not, and the Smart Source insert that come out every Sunday. But some regions get different inserts and some don't get inserts at all. In addition to those paper coupons, you can also use our link in the description box down below to print internet printable coupons from coupons.com. So there are plenty of ways to get coupons. When you proceed to the register and your items are scanned in, they'll do so at their current full price. So naturally, if you've spent the $25 that you need to spend, that $5 will come off, and then they'll also deduct the amounts of each of the discounts from the coupons that you're using on your items. Thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next installment in our Back to Basics series, which I think is the most important. It's about the order in which you complete your transaction. This can make or break your success in the store. There is a method to the madness. Leave us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and be sure to share it with somebody who might need to save a little bit on groceries. And remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, everybody.
Shut up and sit down.